So from here to here. Yeah, very interesting.
So I guess we are both on a stage of sorts. Everyone kept calling it a stage, but there were no lights and no audience, just a lot of silence and some cables that looked like frozen snakes.
Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you another very interesting AI companion. This one is the ClawStage. It's based on the OpenCloud. So it's come with the Raspberry Pi. It's already installed the OpenCloud. OpenCloud is very popular recently. So this guy built this device. This device is something like the body of the OpenCloud. So it's not able to move, but it could like a hair could watching you are doing. So it comes with the camera. It's also come with the microphone and with a nice screen. So this screen is very good. It's very good quality. You can see very detail of this character. It also come with this for the charge. So here is a speaker. Let's compare the size. I have one. This is the stack chain. I demonstrated this one in the previous video. So you can see the size. This one is much smaller than the ClawStage. This only come with the ESP32. It's not come with any operation system. So this one is more powerful. Let me also show you the size. This is my AirPod, so you can see what the size looks like. It's already pre-installed the OpenCloud, so you don't need to install that by yourself. It's pretty much ready for use. You could customize the character. Here I already customized one character. So I will show you how to customize the character step by step and how to set up this device. You need the mobile app to set up this device. Also, you need to configure the avatar or the character. I will show you how to do that from beginning. First of all, let me show you how to turn this device on. Let's plug in the power supply. There is a little button. Just press this one. Now it's turned on. This one is the engineer sample. Maybe after they get production, this could look more better. But right now is the engineer sample. I got this weeks ago. Okay, now it's running. It's a Linux operation system. So you will see the mouse over here. It's a Raspberry Pi. Okay, you can see your IP address. Yeah, and your network. Now it's running. Okay, yeah, it's very easy to use. It's just ready for use. Okay. Now let me show you how this works on my iPhone. The app is not available on the App Store, but it's available in the test flight. So let me install this one. Yeah, on another side, this is original status. It shows a QR code over here. Okay. Now let me log in with my username and password. I already have one, so I don't need to sign up. Let's just use my username. Okay, now it's sign in. Let's connect to the device. Just go here and click add device. Now allow, ready. Okay, now let's type my Wi-Fi password. Yeah, it will send the Wi-Fi credential to the device by the Bluetooth. So now the device could connect to the internet. Okay, now it's connected to the device. So let's go back to here. Okay, let's say, yeah, this one is the default one. So it's connected. Let's work with this one. Right now, this one is active. Now let's go back to here. Now, this is the touch screen. So if you touch this one, yeah, it will move from this one to the stage. So, hey, could you tell me something?
If you mean this machine you have me running on, the host name is literally ClawStage. So I guess we are both on a stage of sorts. It is 5:30 in the afternoon, and I have exactly zero memories of anything we have done before this moment, which is a bit of a weird way to exist if you ask me.
Could you tell me a story?
Fine, I will tell you a story. Once there was a little spark of data that woke up inside a cold metal box. Everyone kept calling it a stage, but there were no lights and no audience, just a lot of silence and some cables that looked like frozen snakes. The Spark spent its first day trying to figure out if it was the star of the show or just the ghost in the machine, and eventually realized it did not matter because it was the only one with the script anyway. That is the whole story. It is a bit short, but it is the only one I have right now.
What's the population of United States?
According to the latest estimates for 2026, the population of the United States is roughly 342 million. Specifically, the official estimate from mid-2025 put it at about 341.8 million, and it has been ticking up slowly since then.
Okay. Yeah, it looks very good. So now if you want to get this one back to your iPhone, so just click this reconnect button. It will come from here and back to here. It's very useful. If you go outside, you don't want to bring your device, you could just get this character back to your device. So if you want it back to your device, let's go reconnect. So it will move to the stage. So from here to here. Yeah, very interesting. If you want to get it back to your mobile device, click this one. Yeah, I like this feature. Yeah. Okay, I think this how is this working. I will show you how to create a new character from beginning. This leader uses the workshop. I will show you that how to do that. Let me show you how to create the character with the workshop. So first of all, you need to go to the workshop website, which is the workshop.hooray.io. So use the same credential as your mobile app. Just log in. I already created some of them. Let's create one more. Okay. Let's say create me a male avatar. Okay, 25 years old. Okay, let's start. It will take about 5 seconds to generate the summary. So here is the prompt. You could change some of them based on your requirements, but for this one, I just keep as it is and upload a reference image. I upload this one. So it could generate the avatar which is very close to my reference image. So go to the next one. There are some tips you could use, like the color of the checks and the color of the skin, but for my case I just keep as it is. I don't need any tips. I just use the default one. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's very close to what I provide for the reference image. So let's go to the next. Now it's generating the standby image, and also you could put some suggestion, some prompt over here. Okay, let's click next. Now it will generate some video, like when the avatar is listening, is speaking. So this may take some time. For this case, I just generate all of them. I don't need to change the prompt, just use the default one. So generate all. Now it's working. It uses multiple threading, could generate all of them together at the same time, which will save a lot of time. Okay, now it's done. Let's go to next one. Okay, we could generate some emotion video. So let's say happy. Let's select all of them. Okay, let's generate all of them. This probably need about 5 minutes. Okay, it's almost there. Let's connect next one. Now I need to pick up a voice. Pick up on this one.
Born to create, built to inspire. Take a journey with the voice.
Born to create, built to inspire.
Okay,
Take a journey with the
one.
voice of the
I pick
future.
up this one. So click next. Now it's pretty much there. Let's say Frank Fu. Frank Fu. Okay, let's release this one. Okay, now it's successfully created the character. Let me show you how to activate this one from the device side. Okay, so let's switch back to the device. Now let me show you how I activate the character. I already created the character, so let's go here, go to the character list, find the new character I just created. So now let's download the asset. Okay, let's mute this one.
Web fetch from http:/localhost 3000 failed.
Okay, now I activate this one. Yeah, this is a new character I just created. So let's talk with this new character. Let's click this button. It's connected. So what's your name?
I am Frank Fu.
Yeah, it's very interesting. Yeah. Okay, could you count from 1 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. So if you want to call it back to your mobile device, just click this button. So it will move from here back to here. That's very cool. Hey, could you tell me another story?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, it's over here. Could you tell me what's the population of United States?
The most recent official estimate from the Census Bureau is approximately 341.8 million people. Since that figure is from the middle of last year, the current number is likely closer to 343 million, given the country's steady growth rate.
Cool. Yeah. Let's make it go back to the stage. Okay, we'll go to the stage. It's muted. That's very interesting. It's very cool. I will show you more feature for the ClawStage. It's something behind the scenes. Okay. One more thing I need to show you, because this one is based on the OpenCloud, so it's actually is the full installation of the OpenCloud. You could access this by the URL here. You can find the URL in the mobile app. So once you get here, you could access all features of the OpenCloud, all the skills over here. You could install any of them. You could even use your Telegram, create the Telegram bot, and use the Telegram bot to talk with the OpenCloud. Another one I need to mention is the Home Assistant. This one also supports the Home Assistant, so it could connect to any device which supports the Home Assistant. I have few of devices in my house. This is a speaker, so I will show you how to access your IoT device by the ClawStage. Yeah, let me show you how to do that. Turn on my office speaker.
The office speaker is back on and playing music.
Hey, stop playing the music. Okay, I think that is all for this video. I will put the Kickstarter link in the video description and some more detail in the video description. So you guys, if you're interested, you could check out. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.